Respected principal sir. Good, good morning everyone. Respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is D. Krant. I am studying third standard. I am wish you all a very Republic Day. To- Today, 26 January, 26 January, and we are celebrating 77 of our Indian of our country. Republic Day is National Festival of India. We should respect our constitution. I am proud, and we Indian, and I love my India country very much. Thank you, friends.